Hey learners, welcome back to Learn in Easy Steps. Today, I'll guide you on converting any image format to JPEG using an online tool. PNG, GIF, or any format, I've got an easy solution for you. Let's jump right in. Open your web browser and type Online Converter, or visit the website www.online-convert.com. Once you open the website, you will see a button labeled Image Converter. Please click on it. Afterward, click on Convert to JPG. Look for an option to upload or select the image you want to convert to JPG. You can do this by using the Choose File button on the website. Some tools might provide additional settings like image quality or compression level. Adjust these settings according to your preferences. A higher compression level reduces file size but may affect image quality. Look for a Start button to begin the conversion process. Click on it to initiate the conversion. Once the conversion is complete, click on the Download button to save the file to your computer. After downloading, open the JPEG image to ensure that the conversion was successful and meets your quality expectations. And there you have it, learners. Converting any image format to JPEG is as simple as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Learn in Easy Steps for more tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for learning with us.